If you're getting error like this while adding your music or ringtone to your iPhone, I'll tell you a simple way to resolve this error. Firstly, disconnect your iPhone from iTunes and launch Settings on your iPhone. Now select Music option and put this Sync Library toggle off. Confirm Turn off. This will delete all your Apple Music songs from your iPhone. But don't worry, we will bring them back. Now go back to iTunes, connect your iPhone and drag your song to Devices section. And this time you shouldn't get any error. As you can see, we have successfully added a new song to our iPhone. Now disconnect iPhone from iTunes and go back to the Music app on iPhone. Here is the song we have added from computer. Now to bring all your Apple Music back, go back to Settings again and turn on this toggle Sync Library. Select Keep Music. Now when you go back to Music app, you'll see that all your Apple Music collection is available as it is. You just have to download all the songs again. And that's how you solve this error on iTunes. But in case you don't want to delete Apple Music from iPhone and still want to add songs from your computer, you can do that using another easy method. I'll link that separate tutorial in the cards as well as down in the description below. Do check out that video and ask me if you have any specific questions. And that's all for today. I hope you guys found this video useful. Stay tuned and I'll see you guys in the next one.